Capacity is a measurement of volume. More specifically, it refers to the amount of fluid that a container can hold. A small container will have a small volume, and a big container will have a large volume. For example, the volume of water in a cup is much smaller than the volume of water in a big bucket. To measure the volume, we need a system of units. Remember, we need a system of units, not just one unit, so that small and large volumes can be measured easily. We all know that it would not be a good idea to measure the volume of water in a lake using cups. You need a much bigger unit for that much water. Similarly, the units used to measure the water in a lake should not be used to measure the volume of cold medicine you drink when you are sick. You need a much smaller unit for that. Like mass and distance, there are two common systems of units for measuring volume. In the United States, the base unit for capacity, or volume, is the fluid ounce. And so in the United States, these would be common units of measurements of volume. 1 cup, which is equal to 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint, which is equal to 2 cups. 1 quart, which is equal to 2 pints. And a gallon, which is equal to 4 quarts. The other more commonly used system is called the metric system. The metric system has many units to measure volume. We are going to learn only a few of them in this lesson. In the metric system, the base unit of capacity, or measurement of volume, is a liter. Please keep in mind that liter can be written as liter, L-I-T-E-R, can be spelled this way, or it can also be spelled L-I-T-R-E, and they both mean the same thing, and they're both pronounced the same, liter. In the United States, we typically use liter, L-I-T-E-R, while in other countries you'll most commonly see liter spelled L-I-T-R-E, and both are correct. So we have a couple of our metric units here. 1 centiliter, or CL, is equal to 10 milliliters, or ml, and then 1 liter, or L for abbreviation, is equal to 100 centiliters, or CL again. All of these units in the metric system have a shorter name, as shown on the table here, the CL, ML, L. You'll see these much more commonly used than the whole longer word written out. So in daily use, you would be using the shorter name more than the longer name. And again, you would use smaller units to measure small volume and bigger units to measure large volume. We use different tools to measure volume in our daily life as well. In cooking, we use measuring cups and measuring spoons. In science labs, we use special tools called beakers and graduated cylinders and pipettes to measure fluids.